dog. We're like, what is it?
I remember when they bit like someone.
Done.
I think it's the Loch Ness Monster. This is Captain Dion.
Hi, what's happening?
He runs the whole ship.
Orange Raiders,
Helps
get hammered.
There's no film, but...
Oh, so you're not even recording this?
No, I am recording. They don't use film anymore. It's all digital.
Hi. I'm Nicolette.
No.
Hi. My name is Tiffany.
I don't know. Hey, this is Sandra. Sandra, tell me about yourself.
Sandra Marie O'Donnell, Massachusetts.
Boston.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Garlic.
They serve garlic bread. Here we are on board the Sea Lion. Lindblad Expeditions, guiding principles. Strive for clarity and communication. I have a hard time with this. I'm from Boston. They don't understand what garlic is.
Sure. That's Anna Marie. That's our hotel manager. She's awesome. She's taking out trash.
Not recording me right now. Why are you doing that? Why would you do that?
It was a gift from my parents.
That's cool. That's a nice camera. I'll steal it later.
Thanks.
Get out of here with that camera.
It's Myra's birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Hey, you like avocados?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Foley. No.
Huh?
No. Don't do it. What's tonight, Luke? Tell us all.
Tonight is crab night, in which we will feed our guest pounds and pounds of clarified butter, camouflaged in crab legs. We'll then bring a cardiologist on board and hope for the best.
Sally on the Sea Lion. So here's where we spend a lot of our time. Us stewards. We're on this side, picking through silverware for hours. You have to know where the forks are, the spoons, the knives, you know.
The little spoons.
Grapefruit spoons. The possibilities are really endless with where they need to go. You want bowling cups? We got plenty of bowling cups. See, look, there they are, down there. Bowling cups, other known as soup bowls. Or I say soup bowls. Bowls. Some stale bread that you can eat at any given time. You're kind of in the way.
Just following you.
That's right. So here we go. This is the laundry. Fortunately, today's a good day because we can actually do the laundry. Sometimes we have to go 4 or 5 days with no laundry, so you can imagine the line. Come laundry day when there's 25 crew for this one washer and dryer. But that's okay. If you forget something, people just hang up the socks on the corkboard. We have a party coming up. Definitely a theme party. The end is near. Coming forward 6 months.
Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze, and so it looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is daylight, and no one's gonna save you from the beast about to strike. You know it's daylight, daylight. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller. You hit the door slam and realize there's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold and wonder if you'll ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. All the while, you're a creature creeping up behind. You're outside, 'cause this is daylight. There ain't no second chance until the day with the 40 eyes, girl. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller.
Tell me about the fantail.
Now the fantail is where it all happens. This is the magic where we go back here and we just brainstorm. We smoke cigarettes, we drink wine, we just really get things done back here. Including the chat.
And there's our first mate.
Hi, Savannah. Smoking, probably waiting to brainstorm. What are you guys thinking?
I'm making a video for my mom.
Hi, Mom.
And that's Alaska. Yay.
And it's still light out. Alaska. This is Mary Mabel saying, thank you, Sea Lion. balance between adventure and safety. We'll explore this a little bit more when I get into my coffin bed. Come into the forecastle, but be careful. It's a fire door. Keep your cell phone like that. It's a little bit dirty down here right now. We weren't expecting company. Here we go. This is our exercise room right here. We have a yoga mat and a workout ball. And this is where it all happens. This is the magic. If you step into the room, you just have to be careful no one's behind the door getting ready. Let's see what's going on over at the bartender's house. Well, she's upstairs in the forward lounge, so there's nothing going on there. Look at Erica, what a good stew. She sleeps with a teddy bear and makes her bed. This stew, whoever this is very messy. But at least she cleans her ears. Oh wait, this is my bed.
Your coffin bed.
My coffin bed. As the demonstration was going, this is how you get into the coffin bed.
I don't even know if I
Very carefully.
don't even know if I can back up enough to do this. Hold on.
So you want to remove anything that could be a danger. Hangers, trays, clothes. Take off your shoes down below. Pull back the curtain. Remove everything oh so gently to the bottom. Take a big step up. Good thing I'm short. And pull. And roll. Get in the pencil position. And fall happily asleep. We get a 5-hour nap. 11 o'clock to about 5. Well, I think that's all from Mary Mabel, but thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Maybe we'll go up to the bridge. Good night, everyone. This is our life.
The North Track.